Nigeria is a really massive country, but people don't know how large it really is. Nigeria is located on the western coast of Africa with a landmass of 923,768 square kilometers. In fact, it is so big that countries like Ghana, Belgium, and Netherlands can all fit in it. However, Nigeria's most diverse feature is its people, with over 230 million Nigerians, making them the most populated country in Africa, ranking 6th in the world population. Nigeria has 36 states, with Lagos being the most populated with over 15 million residents, an estimate of 250 ethnic groups, and there are over 525 native languages spoken in Nigeria. Nigeria is a patchwork of distinctive regions, including deserts, plains, swamps, mountains, and steamy jungles. It has one of the largest river systems in the world, including the Niger Delta, the third largest delta on Earth. Many years ago, Nigeria's savannas teemed with giraffes, elephants, lions, cheetahs, and large herds of antelope.